So you're going to receive an email from Mr. Anderson, from Phil Anderson. It's going to be called something like Please DocuSign Distance Learning. Go ahead and click on that email, and then you'll see this right here. Click on this Review Document button right here, and it's going to take you to a new tab. And then here you can click on this checkbox right here, and then click Continue. And then go ahead and read this document. It's very long. It's in English and in Spanish. So keep going, keep going, keep going. And then right here on the looks like the fourth page, you'll click here to sign, and you'll type in your name, and you can type in your initials if you want to. And then you can either draw your signature like that, or you can just click on select style right here to have it done for you. Okay, so I'm just going to do it the easiest way and just have it done for me, and I'm going to click on adopt and sign, and then that part's done. And now this part's important right here. You're going to have to type in the names of your students. So for example, let's say I had one student named John Doe, and then I need to type in John Doe's birthday. Let's say it's March 1st, 1990. And you're going to do that for each student you have in your family that you want to allow to use Zoom or Google Hangouts, okay? So just make sure you type in your student's name and then their birthday. And then keep on going, scrolling down until you get to right here, page 11, the very last page, and you're going to sign one last time right here. And then once you have that, you're going to hit finish. And right here it says if you want to make an account, you can, but you don't need to do that. You can just hit no thanks. Just press no thanks, and then you'll be done. And then Mr. Anderson will receive your signed permission slip, and then we'll be able to start or continue doing our online lessons. Okay? All right, let me know if you have any questions.
Okay, parents, so if you're on a phone, you go to your email. You'll see this email called Please DocuSign from Phil Anderson. So go ahead and click on that. And then you'll see this email right here. Click on the yellow Review Document button. And then it's going to take you to the actual permission slip. And then you click on Allow, so it knows where your location is. And then on the bottom here, click I agree to use electronic records and signatures, and then click Continue. And then you can go ahead and read through the permission slip. It's 11 pages long. Once you get to the fourth page right here, page 4, you're going to click on Sign, tap Sign, and then you can either sign your name by drawing it with your finger, or you can just do it the easiest way. Click on Select Draw or Select Style, and then it'll automatically produce your signature, and then just click Adopt and Sign. And then right here, this is really important. This is where you'll have to type in the names of your students who you want to allow to use online learning. So for example, I'll put John Doe. And then after you put their name, you need to put their birthday as well, okay? So I'll just make one up. March 20th, 2000, okay? So once you have the names of all your students and their birth dates, you can put multiple students in the same box. Keep on going down, you can read the rest of this, and then on the very last page, on page 11, you'll have to sign again. Same process, a lot faster this time. So you can see, there's my signature. And then when you're done, you hit finish. And then it's going to ask you if you want to make an account. You don't have to make an account. Just click on no thanks, and then you're done. Okay, Mr. Anderson will receive the email, the signed document, and then we can continue with our online instruction. Thank you, and let me know if you have any questions.